If we open the terminal on our computer, we see that by default on a Mac, the scripting language is ZSH. Because we will be using Bash for our scripts, we need to change this to Bash. The easiest way to do this for our user account, and mine is John Quinson, is to enter CHSH for change shell, space.s, and then /bin/bash. We need to enter our password for this to take effect. And then when we close the terminal, quit it, and reopen it, we see that now the scripting language is Bash. While we are here, there are some other changes we can make to the terminal. These are optional. If we click on Terminal and then Settings, we can change the profile to something easier on the eyes. If we click on Profile, we get thumbnails showing the background colors for the terminal. Novel is a pleasing one. We can also change the font to make it something larger and easier to read. Here, the font size is 11. We can click on Change. Change this to, say, 14. And then when we go back and change this to Novel and save it, close the terminal, and then reopen it, we see that it has this more pleasing background and larger font. So we can make the prompt in this terminal more informative. So open Safari and search for GitHub JFQ3, and then click on this link and click on Repositories. We want the miscellaneous scripts repository. If it doesn't display at the top of the list like this, you can search in this search box, type MISC, and it should find this repository. Click on it. We want to download the files .bash profile and .bash rc. So click on them, and then click on the download raw file link. Go back to the bash rc one and do the same thing. These files will be downloaded to your downloads directory. You can display them in the terminal by typing ls downloads bash and then the wildcard. We see that they are downloaded without the period in front and with the txt extension appended to the file name. We want to copy them back to our user home directory, so we can do copy, CP for copy, downloads, bash, rc, text, and then period / to indicate the present directory. And we can give it the name period bash rc. We can copy the bash_profile.txt file from the downloads directory to .bash_profile in the same manner. If we then close the terminal and then reopen it, it looks different. The prompt is now in green. If we list the contents, the subdirectories are in blue. And if we move into one of those, desktop, for example, now the prompt includes that subdirectory. This is a handy reminder of exactly where you are on your computer when you are using the terminal. This concludes configuring the terminal. We're ready to move on to the next topic.